Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what unlocks the drive, an administrator account and the Bitlocker recovery key or password. Once done, make sure any USB with a startup key is connected so Windows can read it. Open Control Panel, then System and Security, and click Bitlocker Drive Encryption to view protected volumes. You do this now because Bitlocker checks credentials before mounting, which prevents data access. This step primes Windows to accept your input. It shows available options, so you can choose to unlock or enter recovery data. Now you perform the core action. Select the encrypted volume and click Unlock Drive or enter recovery key. If you have the 48-digit recovery key, type it carefully with no spaces at the prompts. If using a USB, choose the option to read the key file from the stick. You need to press Enter and then be patient. Windows will verify the key and mount the volume. Make sure you don't power off or remove the USB mid-check. That can cause the unlock to fail or stall. Finally, confirm that File Explorer displays the drive as unlocked and you can open files. That verifies success. If access fails, don't panic. Retry entering the 48-digit key or open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE Unlock D. Recovery password your 48-digit KEY to get more diagnostic feedback. Once unlocked, consider suspending Bitlocker briefly for maintenance or exporting a backup copy of the recovery key. One troubleshooting tip: if keys don't work, check for typos and test the USB on another PC to ensure the key file is readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.